Hello everyone, my name is Thiago Gomes Verissimo. I am a PhD student here. My advisor is Professor Paulo Meirelles. My co-advisor is Professor Evert Terhar. The title of my presentation is Learning Analytics Dashboards on Moodle Approach for the Students in a Control Perspective. So I'll give for you just a general idea of my projects here. I am researching the learning analytics dashboards and the related to software engineering issues. And when we talk about dashboards, there are lots of problems, open problems yet, even in the sides of education and psychology and in the sides of software engineering. Because we have a lot of environments. For example, normally the educational data related to learners, to students, is spread in a lot of places. So to join this data is not easy. So it's a software engineer problem to solve. This research is inside a more general area called learning analytics. So my achievement since my last pitch, this is my third pitch. So I completed all the classes we have to take here. I was by assistant, we call monitor in introduction to programming course. I had extended abstract accepted in front-end education conference last year. This week, I presented my working progress projects at Learning Analytics in Practice conference. Actually, it was yesterday. And I performed a tertiary literature review. I will present some results now for you. So this is my timeline with these achievements I just said. So we are here today, the third pit, and the next step is to submit my qualification for this year. So my research questions temporarily yet is what kind of external data can be usefully and safely integrated with the Moodle behavioral data? And how these oriented data can be used as a feature for statistical and machine learning models, respecting privacy and students' autonomy. So the traditional dashboards around there, the students have no control about anything. Students can choose anything about what feature will be inside the models, or the students cannot calculate the prediction about their selves. So our proposal here is to invert this scenario and put the students in a control perspective. So our idea is to develop a dashboard where students can choose the thing. The student has the power to decide everything about his or her. So, but this approach leads us to a scenario where we have some software engineers problems because the default implementation in Moodle, actually in any dashboard around there, this dashboard is designed primarily for teachers and managers, and to create this view for students is not easy. We have to redo a lot of things. And the possibility for the students to recreate machine learning models is a computer problem because we had to improve in some way the the way that the model is created, because we have to repeat the creation of the model every time. So think about that. We took a step back and we performed literature review. Actually, we started by a tertiary literature review to try to identify if there is some gap in the existing systematic reviews. So I select 6 sources of paper of databases, and we can see here the oldest systematic literature review in these databases is from 2014, and this number is increasing along the time. From these 189 articles, I selected 15, and I classified these 15 articles in 4 groups. 6 was the group that made a review using no criteria. The next group is the 6 reviews that pay attention to educational foundation of the dashboards. Two was related to systematic review was related to evaluating the dashboard. In the one systematic review selected was about reviews about machine learning models. So from these tertiary reviews, literature reviews, we identified that none of these systematic review talk about Moodle. And Moodle is the main system used around the world. And even there is no systematic literature review about open source code in the implementation of dashboard. So our idea is to perform now a new systematic review based on this. That I mean, we look for primary articles that use machine learning dashboards. We look for articles that should try to identify if the code is available or not, and if the dashboard considers students as a decision maker in this machine learning model or not. I think that's it. Thank you. I'm here to question.